Okay, now we want to build a geometric model of a virus. So we take the template and a pair of scissors and carefully cut along the outside of the colored template. And this actually takes a long time. It took me about 2.5 minutes to cut out. So be very patient and be very careful about your cutting and don't rush it. And if you keep on going, then you'll have a nice piece where the outside part is one whole piece as well. Now, if you want, you can cut out the piece any which way you want, but this is neater. Now, once we have the cutout, we can see that there are triangles on the outer edges and there are dotted lines in the middle. And so what we want to do is start folding down along those dotted lines. So every time you see a dotted line, you fold down. And I find it easier if you just take one side of the template and fold down all those triangles. First one side, then the other. And you want to make sure you give it a little bit of a crease so that it stays down. And we'll unfold those as well so that we can get to the interior dashed lines. So once you have the two sides done, kind of unfold it. You still see there are dotted lines in the middle, and so we'll create some creases there, going back and forth. And this will help when we put everything together to form the model virus head, which is seen in the picture on the big sheet. Now we're going to hold it together using tape, and so we need very small pieces of tape, and so it's good if you have a tape dispenser with a sharp teeth to cut it. Now the way to start is here. First, let's take a look close up. You can see all the creases. Is to take two pieces of tape from the dispenser and add it on to your starting point. And so here's the first one. I'll start with the green section. One on one side, one on the other, and I'll attach the second piece of tape to its neighbor, and I'll continue adding tape and connecting it to its neighboring triangle side, and we keep on doing this all the way around. Now if you have trouble, you can do it in two parts. For example, cut along the line between the red and orange triangles, and then do two parts and put it all back together when you have those complete. But if you're very patient, then you can keep going until the last part where we attach one side and just gently press in for the last triangle. And so we have our model virus head.